Thank you so much, and I want to welcome you to a joint partnership of training between the Heartland Faith Church, which is a global Methodist church, the Covenant Assemblies of God, and ICOF Global University. This is a partnership that is training pastors from different churches coming together, sharing the core values of Global Methodist Church, and we are grateful to Heartland Faith Church, which is leading in this process. Here in Zambia, we've been having trainings, as you can see from the footage, the pictures, that this training is targeting independent ministries, independent churches that are willing to be part of a global church and be able to work together to extend the kingdom of God. If you are a church out there, if you are a pastor out there, you are looking for more coordinated, a more solidifying fellowship that will first and foremost train you in the things of God, biblically, doctrinal, faith, Heartland Church, partnership with ICOF and Covenant Assemblies of God is your answer. Check the numbers scrolling here and be part of the growing fellowship. God bless you. May God keep you. May God lift you up. Thank you so very much.